Hello, this is Cameron with United Credit doing a proof video. We do these about twice a month, showing our trade lines posting on a regular basis. We have over 400 trade lines posting every week. Feel free to call us for free consultation or questions, 202-213-2218. Anyway, so this is the profile here, 713 score on Credit Karma. We're going to go to the accounts here. You click here. View all accounts. This particular gentleman ordered a Discover card. Discover card is one of our clients' favorite cards. Why? Because they post fast. They normally post on all three bureaus. Here you go, Discover card, 4,500. Almost 10 years, authorized user, perfect pay history. As I said, people love Discover because it normally posts on all three bureaus and is one of the fastest posting cards out there. This particular line here, being 10 years old, is only $495. It's a great bargain. We got it going on this month for Discover. Feel free to subscribe to our list at tradelines.biz, tradelines with the S.biz. We do a bi-weekly update of all our lines. Or call us for free consultation. We love to review your profile to let you know what trade line you may or may not need for your profile to give it the maximum boost. And that's about it. Subscribe to our channel for the updates. Hit the like button. We appreciate it. Again, call us for a free consultation. That's 202-213-2218 for free consultation. Thank you.